Mercedes-AMG has introduced upgrades for the six-cylinder models of its GT four-door coupe, featuring a redesigned front apron that echoes the previous eight-cylinder models. The new design includes large side air intakes in a jet wing profile, creating an appearance of breadth and enhancing airflow to coolers and brakes. Standard equipment now includes an electric sliding sunroof and wireless smartphone charging between the rear seats. The infotainment system, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, has also been updated with new AMG-specific displays and configurable functions. The optional Burmester surround sound system or high-end 3D surround sound system now comes with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience. Power remains unchanged, with the 3-liter inline six-cylinder engine delivering 367 horsepower or 435 horsepower with twin turbocharging. The V8 styling package offers an additional layer of customization for the six-cylinder models, incorporating design elements from the AMG GT Black Series. This includes a new front apron, longitudinal member panels, and a rear apron with a diffuser, as well as a larger radiator grille and more functional air deflection components. Optional equipment packages now include the Chrome package, with a high-gloss chrome front splitter, and the carbon fiber package, featuring a carbon fiber front splitter. The aerodynamic package, when combined with the V8 styling package, delivers a new shape for the front splitter and flicks. Lastly, a new opalite white metallic shade is now available, while the wheel portfolio and upholstery range remain the same. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.